Alrighty guys, let's continue this test. Question 6. Sally and Amy go to the markets. Amy buys 2 pallets of strawberries and 4 pallets of cherries for a total of $34, and Sally buys 4 punnets of strawberries and 3 punnets of cherries for $33. So what are we going to define our variables as? So let's define our variables as F is the cost of strawberries and C is the cost of cherries. So now that we have that, where my row little dots there in the line there, now that we have that, we just need to write in the equation. So if Amy buys 2 punnets, so she spends the cost of strawberries twice, so 2 punnets of strawberries plus 4 punnets of cherries will be 34, and Sally's 4 punnets of strawberries and 3 punnets of cherries, and that will be $33. There's our 2 equations. They're using algebraic methods to find the cost of a punnet. That's just solving a very simple set of equations. So let's double the second equation to get 4s plus 8c equals 30, won't be 30 anything, it'll be 68. And the other one is 4s plus 3c equals 33, and we can work out c from this doing the elimination method. So if we do 1 minus 2, we'll get 5c equals 68 minus 33 is 35, which means c equals $7. Then the second, once we've got c, we can plug that back in and say 4s plus 8 times 7 equals 68, means that 4s, red dots anyway, there we go, means that 4s plus 56, let's put my pen back on, 4s plus 56 equals 68, which means that 4s has to equal 12, and s, a punnet of strawberries, is $3. So the final answer, the key to this question, by the way, is to write the final answer. So strawberries cost $3 and cherries cost $7. That's expensive cherries. You don't want to lose your cherries there. Okay, next question. Question 7. Given the following pair of simultaneous literal equations, use an algebraic method to solve for either x or y with our solutions in terms of a, b, c, and d. And the most important thing here is do not attempt to find both x and y. Now, there's actually 2 ways you can do this, so I'm going to do them both ways. I'm putting the line down the middle. First way I'm going to do it is by elimination. And the elimination method I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this equation. For this method here, I'm going to multiply this second equation by a. So times this equation by a. So my 2 equations will be ax minus y equals c, and the other one will be ax plus aby equals ad. And now, of course, I've got the ax's on both. It's pretty messy ax's, but I've got ax's on both, so I'm going to do 2 minus 1. When I do 2 minus 1, the ax's are going to cancel. I'm going to get aby minus negative y equals ad minus c. Be careful with your signs. I think I've already done one, tried to do one video of these where I buggered up the sign just here, where I didn't do my minus negative. So what we have, actually, when we take out y as a common factor, we get y, it's going to be ab plus 1 equals ad minus c. And so from here, if I want to know what y is just going to be equal to ad minus c divided by ab plus 1. Now let's try and find y again using the substitution method. In order to do that, I'm going to take the first equation. Actually, I'm going to take the second equation and rewrite it as x equals something. So it's going to be x equals d minus by. Now that I've got that, I'm going to substitute that in the first equation, and I'm going to get, so ax minus y equals c becomes a times d minus by minus y equals c. And then from here, I'm going to expand all of the brackets. ad minus aby minus y equals c. And then from here, I'm actually going to times the whole equation by negative 1. The reason I'm going to do that is I want to change these 2 y signs to positives. So I'm now going to have negative ad plus aby plus y equals negative c. And the handy thing about that is now if I take the AD across, I get ABY plus Y equals, turns out to be AD minus C, because it'll be negative C plus AD, which when I take the Y's out as a common factor, I get Y's AB plus 1 equals AD minus C. And if I divide both sides by AB plus 1, I get Y equals AD minus C on AB plus 1. And notice it's exactly the same as I got for the elimination method. Both of these would work perfectly well. Alrighty, that's the end of that video, and I'll make another one now for the second part of the test.